Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been supportive of me, my channel and everything. I just want to say thank you. Your messages, your comments are really, encouraging, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So to if you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you are going to be watching this video and you've watched till the end, I think you should be able to subscribe as well, because it would definitely help you and do you good. So guys, I brought something that because I realized so many people has been battling with stretch mark, and it's been really too much. Like there's so many things they are asking you to do out there that when you do, it doesn't work for you, and you kind of give up. So many people have obviously given up. So I was like that. I had stretch mark, and it was so bad that I don't wear skirts or anything short, because the back of my leg there yes, there was so bad. Like I can't wear skirts because the mark was, my sister was even saying, I don't know what you're gonna do to get rid of this, but it's really getting bad. It's really getting, I used to be a very lanky, slim, tall person before. I never had one until about 2014 or something. I started getting a little bit chubby. So I started having stretch mark because my skin started elasting and started stretching. Not because I had a baby, but because I put up added some flesh, so kind of really gave me stretch mark even around my waist. Ignore this please, it's just water that dropped and it's expanding for some reason, I don't know, so whatever. So like I said, my waistline, the stretch mark, and the one I had on my stretch mark was like dark, and I couldn't wear bikini. I was really insecure. It was really so bad that like I didn't know what to do at the end of the day. When everyone is going to the beach or to the swimming pool, I wouldn't want to go with them, because whatever I'm gonna wear obviously will show my body, and it will show the part of my waistline that will show whatever the stretch mark, and I didn't want that to happen, because I felt like everybody would definitely stare at me or look at me and say, her body is disgusting and stuff like that. I didn't want that to happen. So the places I had it was just the back of my laps and around my waist, because my hip was obviously expanding and my laps was just getting big. So I was really, like I said, very, very uncomfortable. I tried so many things. I googled so many things. I checked YouTube. So many things I checked. Use sugar and lemon to exfoliate that particular place. Use apple cider vinegar and lemon. Use bicarbonate of soda. Tell me, which one of them do I not buy? I have all of them as I'm talking to you. I can see them here. I tried everything, virtually everything, and it never worked for me. Remember, what worked for A may not work for B, so it didn't obviously work for me, and I was really disappointed. I spent all this money and nothing happened, nothing worked for me, so I was really disappointed, like I said. So so one day I was just browsing through and something popped on my screen like therapy oil, whatever, and I gave up. I didn't want to try it, honestly. I was like, I can't spend any other money. Some people even said shea butter, just put shea butter, leave it there overnight. Some people said rub, some people said anything that has vapor. Tell me which one I don't have in my room. I can start showing you all of them, everything that I bought. At the end of the day, none of them worked for me, so I gave up. So like I said, when I saw this cream, I was like, oh, this oil, I said I'm gonna give it a shot. Like, it's just gonna be my last option, and if I try it doesn't work, I'm never ever gonna try anything. And I don't care how it looks like, I don't care how insecure, I don't care how everything looks like. Sorry, something popped on the screen. So I just said, okay, I'm gonna try it. Like I said, I bought it and I tried it. Honestly speaking, it just 2 weeks, and like normally I'm that kind of person that if I try something once, second, twice, and I'm not seeing any sign of it moving, I don't want to try it again, because I feel like it's not gonna work. But when I tried this thing once, I saw like it was, I'm not joking, like I saw it. It was just going, literally. I was like, oh my God, you've answered my prayer. To be honest, like 2 weeks, this thing disappeared. I wish I could just show you my body. I wish I could just stand up and show you my waistline. Everything disappeared. The back of my leg, I can obviously wear mini skirts, micro, whatever, and nobody will, you know, look at you like, oh, you've got stretch mark. Everything disappeared. And I was so happy, you know. And I felt like, I remember the time I was like, why not show people, you know, because I went for a party and then this lady was complaining that she's got one. I'm like, sort it out then. She said that she has tried everything, that nothing worked for her. And I told her, oh, I had a problem in the past and I used one therapy oil and everything disappeared. She said, send it to me. You know, I've not been able to reach her, but I believe this video will reach her. And if you're watching this video, I specifically made this video for you and some other people that may want to, you know what to do to get rid of their stretch mark. So this oil I'm talking about is no other oil than this particular oil. Yes, it says it removes scars, it removes stretch marks, dry damaged skin, unveil skin tone, aging skin. This is it. It really worked amazingly well. I'm not joking. I wish I could show you my body. I wish I could just stand up and show you. This thing really works. So, and it's inexpensive. I bought it like £6 something. You know, I had the little one and the little one finished. And then for me to have gone to get the big one, meaning that it really worked. I've been using this and then up to this moment now. I stopped using it for a long time because obviously it cured me and there's no need using it anymore. I could use it on my face because it kind of brightens your skin or something like that, and it doesn't, there's no side effect to it because it's just oil, you know. So reading from the back, it has a lot. Gently massage into affected area 3 times daily or as often as described. It really worked amazingly well. I'm telling you, this is like, it's just cocoa butter formula. Like I can't start reading it, and it helps complexion, helps improve the skin, penetrate and absorb characteristics of the formula into the epidermal layer of the skin. There's so many things to read. I don't want to start reading it because it's gonna be a long video. You guys, if you want to try this, it's dermatologically tested as well, if you can see at the bottom there. Yeah, I wish you can just. So guys, if you're having this problem and you want to cure yourself, this is just what you need. To be honest, it's inexpensive. I'm not selling it. This is not promoted. This is just something I've used and it worked for me, and I see so many people out there looking to see what they can use to cure this. This is just what it is. This company, never, I don't know them, they don't know me. I bought this thing off eBay and it worked for me. So I believe so many people might need this thing out there. That's why I'm doing this particular thing and I'm showing. This is not even a review. I don't know what you call it, but this is just something that worked for me and I believe it worked for you. So if you have this problem, stretch mark, and any other thing written down here, you can go ahead and purchase this thing. I promise you 100% I used this thing and it worked for me. So nothing was sponsored, nobody sponsored this. This is just me using my thing and it worked for me, and I feel like still gonna work for someone else. So if you have this problem, your stretch mark, this is just all you need. Leave all these things that are saying sugar, whatever, cream, lemon, water, shea butter, mint, rub. This is just the solution, to be honest. So you can do home remedy as long as it works for you, but this one worked for me. This is not a home remedy. I bought it off eBay and it was inexpensive and it worked for me. So you can go ahead and grab it and thank me later, honestly. So I just want to say thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. So I hope it was for you. Bless you. Thank you. Bye.